Hey, welcome to my channel. Here's a quick video to share a Notion template that I just created for a mid-year review. The link to this template is in the description box, so feel free to duplicate it into your workspace. There are 5 sections in this review. Starting with the first section, which is reflection, there are 2 columns for filling in milestones as well as challenges and areas for improvement. If your memory of the past 6 months is already fuzzy like mine, you can look through your journal, planner, calendar, photos, or even social media accounts to jog your memory. I usually feel like I didn't achieve much, but I'm sometimes surprised by those little wins that have gone unnoticed. The second section is review, where you can track the progress of the goals you meet during the start of the year. For each of the goals, you can assign the category as well as status, and then create an updated goal if need be. I think section 3 is pretty fun and interesting, where you can rate each area of your life on a scale of 1 to 5. These are a couple of areas I have created, and you can add or remove them according to what is relevant to you. Simply drag the cards to the ratings you assign to complete this step. The 4th section is optional, but I think it's fun to document the content that I have consumed during the past 6 months. I have created 4 categories for books, movies, drama series, and courses, but again, you can edit these categories according to your own liking and lifestyle. And finally, the last step is to recalibrate the goals you have set. After reviewing the goals in step 2, choose the top 3 most important ones that you would like to focus on. For each goal, you can set a habit to help you achieve it. That's all for this video, and once again, the link to the mid-year review template is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.